What is up, guys? Thanks once again for tuning in. So today is a Sneaker Freaker event. I just had to go past... Anyway, so today is a Sneaker Freaker event. I am on my way. I still had like church duties to go to in the morning, so I'm gonna go there straight now. But as your boy's repping the Sneaker Freaker t-shirt. What's up? All my boys are like hitting me up, telling me that yeah, there's people at the Sneaker Freaker event already. They asked me where I am, but you know, gotta do the good deeds first, you know. But we're on our way now. It's actually a really hot day, and I've got a really big problem. The shoes that I'm actually wearing, the tag on it from KIXTW is still on it, and I tried ripping it with my hands, but I'm almost like my hands are all red from like trying to like rip it open, but it won't rip open. So I tried using a key as well, but I don't have any scissors around me, so I can't get the tag off. Until I can find scissors, it'll be free advertising for KIXTW. I'll show you guys later. I was able to get this tag off. It was kind of weird. I had to ask a guy at the petrol station to actually give me scissors. He was like, yeah, you can buy some scissors, and then I just need to cut scissors. But yeah, like eventually we got there. All right, let's get to it. Start that time lapse, bro. Yo, what's up, guys? So we are actually at the Sneaker Freaker swap meet right now. Oh, I got here so late. All the kind of stuff that I actually did want, I kind of sold out. All my sizes, especially at the cocaine store. Probably still gotta try cop some shoes. I don't know if I can. Hopefully it does work well, but if I don't, well, at least I'll save some money. And I'm currently here with Ben. If you haven't been following him already, please follow him. Melbourne supporters, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And don't forget to give a like to this video and to Ben's video in the future. Anyway, let's get going. Hey, what's up, guys? I got people that actually watch my videos, but yeah, here they are. Can you start the chat, man?
Hey, what's up?
Nate_Kick99.
Whoa, it's good, Ian. What's up, bro?
My name's Mitchell.
Yeah. You guys enjoy it?
At Hype75 for my Insta. Check it out.
Yeah. Did you guys enjoy Sneaker Freaker?
Yeah,
awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Free t-shirts. It's always good for the free stuff.
Man. I got you got the black one, the black writing. That's pretty cool, man. Doing like an unboxing.
Had to get the purple logo from cocaine, killing it on fire.
Cocaine,
yeah, yep.
Tag right there too.
Ripping.
What do you got?
I have a face mask, but I don't really want to wear it right now because I just ate. So.
Yeah.
That's cool, man.
Awesome. Thanks for letting us on the vlog.
That's it, man. Don't worry, you guys will be on it. So one of the actual places that you can actually wait at and get free stuff is at the extra large, like little booth that they have here. They're printing out t-shirts, which is pretty freaking awesome, and they're giving it away for free, bro. So next time you come to Sneaker Launch, not Sneaker Launch, next time you come to the Sneaker Freaker swap meet, make sure you check out extra large because they're doing all these really good things, man. Check out Lawman's like little setup, guys. It's pretty impressive, man. Look at it.
Yeah. Okay, let me explain. GoPro Hero 5 Black, connected up to the audio, got the little microphone, and the aluminium kit. That's the key thing.
It's a pretty good, decent setup, man.
Yeah.
You ready to go on?
Hi guys!
I really want to see these guys. They're begging for it.
Your t-shirt.
What's up, you boys finally got it, yes! Everyone's like waiting here. Guys, I decided to let me with one of these. It's got Chun-Li at the back. Yeah! What about you, bro? Custody. Woody's son? This is what? Nephew? Yeah. Oh, you guys must get everything then, man. Yeah. Ah, out, man. These guys probably got, you got all these collabs then, huh?
I've got these ones, these ones, these ones. Most of them. These ones.
You got those?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks guys. That's Woody, that's Mark, that's Chase. I'm pretty cool dudes, man. What's up, so I just spoke with Woody and he decided to list me with one of these t-shirts, so it's freaking, I'm over the moon, man. Woody's such a nice guy, man. Like, seriously, he's doing so much for the actual community, for the sneaker community, and organising these actual sneaker events. So yeah, that's why you should guys really should support these kind of events, because all these guys are doing it for you. So yeah, right, man.
Yeah, right.
Have you watched Avengers?
Yeah, I have.
What do you think?
I got no words. Like, if you haven't seen it yet, like, it's good but disappointing at the same time. That's all I've got to say.
We've got a pretty good view. How much is that?
So the nunchucks are 30, but you can get a top and look like Bruce Lee for 60.
22.
With a pair. You can get a set. It's pretty fun. I've been standing here with them and I'm like, yeah, nah, it's more fun than
I'm gonna start hitting, I'm gonna get really violent.
Don't move it around.
It's actually really nice.
Yeah, there you go.
It's funny, but really, to be honest.
You're awesome now.
So what's up guys, I'm at the KIXPLORE stand. The one that actually recently just got stored in the
Mark has
city.
a blog, KIXPLORE.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys work at the city store?
We do, we do. Yeah.
Come say hi guys, come say hi at the city store.
Is that what TKO?
See these shoes? KIXPLORE, bro. KIXPLORE.
Okay, nice.
No clue.
I manage the KIXPLORE Instagram page.
Yeah?
That's crazy. Do you want us to give you a shout out on our Instagram?
Yeah. These, man.
I know, right? I should have lined up for them.
Can't believe I still don't have one of these, man. I need these, bro. Hello? Hello?
Do it again, do it again, do it again. You got me in the background,
Oh,
like
did I?
looking at you, like, what's he doing?
Sean Witherspoon? Yeah, bro. I need one of these Air Maxes, bro. Come on. Seriously. Alright, thanks. Alright. Alright. Cop these 3 for $10. Not bad. Keep my car fresh. Hello. Hey. Hey. What's her name? Dodo. Dodo? Yeah. Oh, hi Dodo. Oh, there she is. What's the name?
Muffin.
Muffin?
Yeah.
Muffin. So, I just learned, but you can bring your dogs here, guys. Thanks, guys.
Hi.
Buy stuff, guys. Buy stuff.
What's up, man? This is Phil from Angel Grove Toys and Collectibles. Hit us up at Instagram at Angel Grove Collectibles, Facebook at Angel Grove Toys and Collectibles. Thanks, bro.
So if you want toys, you know where to get it, bro. Alright. Check it out.
Yeah, man, I saw it yesterday.
What's up, guys? So we're at the Sneaker Laundry actual booth here with Chase.
What's going on, guys? Here at the Sneaker Laundry, you know we clean shoes. Got all this product here. Selling my own paint. Come get your paint. We got the Speed Runner, we got the Boost paint. And yeah, I hate sneakers now. I hate them. So yeah.
That's Chase, man. That's Chase, man. What a funny guy.
I can't think of anything. You put me on the
Yeah. So what's up, guys? So I just copped something at the actual Sneaker Laundry booth. My man Vincent here. Where is it? Damn. You see this? You see this fine product?
Bro, paid for it. Give it to me.
Thanks. Thanks, Vincent. So guys, come visit the Sneaker Laundry out in High Point. They also got one in the city. Go check them out, guys.
Tell me when you're recording. You ready? I transferred it. It wasn't real. It wasn't real.
What's up, guys? So we are here at the cocaine booth now. Here with Joe.
Hello, hello, hello. I've been disappeared somewhere.
No, he hasn't disappeared, guys. You know where he is?
I'm playing Fortnite.
That's grown man words right there, bro.
Grown men. Grown men. I'll see you on the field. Where we dropping, boys? Where we dropping?
You ain't a man if you ain't playing Fortnite, bro. I gotta step up my man game then, man. I gotta get this. I gotta get this on this Fortnite, man.
Stop moving!
Don't stick with me, no!
So what's up, guys? So we're back at the cocaine little booth here. His house.
Wait, how do you know that's in focus? Am I in focus? Hello?
I don't know. I never know. I never know when I'm in focus, bro.
It's an A7. How do you even know?
It's automatic, bro.
It's the what is it? The 63 or 65?
65.
Yeah, that autofocus is ridiculous.
I don't see much, but
Can't do anything, bro. Can't do anything. That's why I need to get one of these ones, bro. These ones are alright. So if you guys want to see a real photographer, sneaker photographer in action, here it is. Damn. Oh, there it is. Oh.
I gotta charge you to take photos of my girlfriend.
He does it for free too, man. So hook him up. Q Derek's the man. Shows them one. Shows them one.
Jacket's like 310.
huh?
Australian 310. This is like
What is this?
This is 150. I think there's this one.
They're going crazy over down there, man. At the extra large, man. Did you see that? It's gone crazy, bro.
I was waiting there like 35 minutes, bro.
So one of the other stores that are giving away free t-shirts, like you guys can see behind me, is everyone that's kind of waiting there.
Hey, what's good, man? Hey, come through next Sneaker Freak, check out your hot boy at heart, you know how it is, sneezing and shit goes, yeah, take care, bro. Behind Joe. I'm behind a really famous Joe right now. So if you go, you might recognize him. Right here.
Apparently she's going to do that.
Okay.
No, Kawhi and
Imagine that, you got a good defender. Yeah. LeBron's good defender, but
If you go, I don't know. I'm a little bit starstruck right now. Seeing this guy here. If you guys haven't seen
you're pointing at the wrong person, man.
Now these two here, really popular people. Go follow them. Alright guys, so what's up? So finally leaving the Sneaker Freak swap meet now. It's a whole lot of fun. Got heaps of costs, man. I don't know if you guys can see it. All just dangling down on the bottom of my bag. It's been good. I'm pretty tired. I haven't eaten the whole day, man. I was supposed to eat at the place, but I actually have to get going now somewhere. But you know, life goes on. So eventually, yes, guys, if you haven't been to actually swap meet, it's so much fun, man. It's always good to actually see other people every now and again. All these like familiar faces and stuff. I mean, new faces. I wanted to get Woody and Hans, but they were like, oh man, I don't think. I'm so embarrassed. Oh well, next time. Yo, what's up, guys? Before I end this video, I just wanted to give a really big shout out to Hans and Woody and the Sneaker Freaker crew. They did an awesome job, hands down. I just wanted to say the Sneaker Freaker events, they happen every year, or sometimes they happen twice a year. And these events, guys, you should really be supporting. It's not easy creating these kind of events, even though Woody, Hans and the Sneaker Freaker crew have been doing it for many years now. They're able to get like really big brands such as I think they've gotten Crep Protect, they've gotten Jason Marks, they've gotten all these kind of big brands as well, like Globe with the actual warehouse. So you know, they really work amongst, you know, like big names and also local names. So they do support the local community. They do it for you guys so that you guys have a place to hang out, sell your sneakers, talk about sneakers, take photos of your sneakers, and just be amongst the sneaker community. So I really highly urge that you guys attend these events because they are always awesome. It's just good to be amongst the atmosphere of like-minded sneakerheads, and you know, it's just good to have a day to hang out and wear like one of your really like nice sneakers that you haven't worn in a while, or sneakers that you just, you know, you just want to bust out. So hopefully I get to see you guys in the upcoming Sneaker Freaker events. It was also really good to actually see you guys in person. I only really make these videos just for me and my kind of personal hobby with sneakers and video, but when you guys actually come up to me, say hi and say that you know, and you give me some like feedback and recognition, it honestly just warms my heart. Like it's better than copying the, like, you know, the really expensive sneakers, knowing that you guys enjoy my content. And yeah, I will always try to give you guys more better videos in the future. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I've got more content coming up for you guys in the future. If you made it this far into the video, please give me that big thumbs up, and I will see you guys soon in the next video. Peace out.